records are not perfect by any means. They have warps, they have eccentricities, they have very well made records, and some are not well made at all. Some of my favorite records are not very well made, and they don't always sound great. But the music is there, and there's nothing I can do about it. But I want to enjoy it to the best that I can. And a Technics turntable, properly fitted, can give you all that enjoyment. And at least you'll be able to hear it the best way that you can. Even if it's got a warp or an eccentricity, that arm will recognize a lot of that and just track almost anything. So it's a very nice design, and with the VTA adjustment with the 1200 models, you can adjust that if you get really good at it. It's very easy to adjust for 200 gram vinyl or 180 gram vinyl or various thicknesses of platter mats and things like that. It's just a wonderful feature.